Hey guys, it's Greg. I just got a Ford eBay Big Bang Pegasus final drive system. I asked my dad if I could get it, and he said in a few weeks, but I just got it today, and I'm going to unbox it with these haircut scissors that cut anything. Even me. Pretty excited. You know, like a kid.
Hey, are you hungry?
Not right now.
What do you want right now?
I'm making a video. Very happy.
Yeah, I came back. Talked to the boss to go over.
Sorry for the bad quality. I'm using my laptop. Okay, sweet. Here's the ripcord, light launcher 2, stickers, tool, final drive, and bay, and the launcher. So I'm gonna snip it all out for you. My instructions in Japanese. All the different stuff. The final drive. This is really cool because of the centrifugal force pulls this out, makes that come out, but when it loses speed, it pops into that and goes crazy. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out the ripcord.
What? It's not?
The record. Final drive. I'm gonna get out the bay and the launcher. Snipper snip. Snipper snip. Light launcher 2. Gonna get that out.
I can't believe I made mashed potatoes and I made mine.
So I'm doing this video. That's my mom. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. YouTube says hi.
Hello, YouTube.
iTube. Yes, I do. The cordon. Get the bay. It's all cold. Snowy outside.
Yes, it is.
Tis indeed. Snip, snip. Sorry guys that I'm like doing all this stuff off camera. Just easier. And I got the core thingy. And this and this and this.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Dropped the face.
Yeah?
Yep, I got it. So I'm going to put it together. In some way, there's all these different combinations and stuff, but I'm just going to put it together in a random way. Drive. Put that on.
How cool was that?
Pretty awesome. And here it is, Big Bang Pegasus FD final drive. So I may do some battle videos for you, and I will see you. Hope you liked. Comment, rate, and subscribe.